Okay, got the smoker started up here and getting ready to smoke some chicken breasts today. They're skinless breasts and they've been marinating them for about 4 hours in a combination of Italian dressing and soy sauce. Marinated the chicken, and I've put some dry rub on it, and just about ready to put these on the grill. The grill's come up to temperature. We're going to smoke them for about between 35 and 45 minutes on the smoke setting on the Traeger. Well, as you can see, they're on the grill, and it's smoking quite a bit, so we're going to close the lid down and let them smoke. The smoker's been on for 45 minutes. We'll take a peek. I'm going to put the temperature probe, then I'm going to crank up the temperature to about 350 until the temperature of the chicken gets up to 165. As you can see, I got the temperature probe in. And after 45 minutes, the temperature of the chicken was 114 degrees. So we're going to crank it up a little bit and wait for it to get to 165, and then it's time for supper. Okay, the temperature probe I'm using is a remote probe, and I've got it set to cook the chicken to 165 degrees. And so I don't have to come out here all the time and check the temperature and all that. I just sit down, finish watching the Nebraska game, and when the alarm goes off, supper time. Okay, there's the completed chicken, and we're going to take it off and let it rest for a little bit, and then it's going to become lunch. There you go. We're going to have this pasta salad with our chicken. I made this up here while the barbecue or the smoker was smoking away.